Our main ambition within the Like a Pro project is to make sure that EU legislations take into account the health needs and concerns of citizens, but also that products that will be developed are accessible, affordable, and also respectful for the environment and sustainability.
So with this large number of partners, we are covering the entire value chain of alternative proteins. I must say that, it's not always easy to coordinate, as I said before, such a big number. But I'm really impressed with the commitment of the partners to the project. So for me, this makes things easier.
The biggest technical challenge of the Ticita is to develop 16 food products using alternative proteins that have a high organoleptic and nutritional quality that's going into the market in the near future.
I think that's the main thing. Products need to be healthy and tasty, and whether they come from what source they come from is not that important.
We're not focused on mimicking meat or any kind of animal-based products. We want to bring something that is nutritious, delicious, and something you can consume on a daily basis.
I think the problem has been that in the US there has been a lack of innovation ever since the first time that the products were developed. They have been reinventing the wheel over and over, but nothing new is being added and there's no value being created for the consumers.
We will characterize the proteins. We will try to overcome drawbacks of them, like masking off flavors with other ingredients, or we will try some agglomeration processes to improve the solubility. Yes, and then we will try to develop some new interesting powders.
In our company, one of the main pillar bases is the innovation, so participating in a large European project like this is an opportunity for us, and also we can develop a new range of products based on alternative proteins.
But we use it to create the next level seafood. It has the advantage that we want to make the whole cut fish fillet and to really recreate the 3D complex texture of a mussel. 3D printing is the way to achieve that. And it will be a high-end product to begin with, but as we scale up over time, it will be an affordable product that can compete with the actual wild salmon fillet.
We would like to take the view also the food industry in the debate of alternative protein use, so we can support the expansion on the food market about novel food based on the alternative proteins. And we would like to carry out also in a holistic approach a deep analysis for that use and the complementarity between value chain.
What we noticed the last decade or so is that we made the first big step towards making alternative proteins more well-known and available, but now it's time for us to step up our game. It's that we want to see how we can reach new consumers, how can we reach consumers or people or companies who are currently not involved in the protein transition. So how can we make it more mainstream for them, and how can we also involve them in this transition?
Technology will drive the force. The only way to give consumers what they are expecting, tasty, healthy, affordable and accessible products, has to be via technology, and it's the only way.